Hi there, I'm Alice. Let's talk about something many of us don't feel comfortable discussing, nail health. Have you been hiding your hands or feet because of unsightly, thick, or discolored nails? Do you feel embarrassed wearing sandals or shaking hands because of fungal infections? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. But here's the truth. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away. If you're tired of feeling self-conscious or battling painful, brittle nails, it's time to fight back with a solution that works. Introducing Kerassentials, the advanced formula designed to restore your nails and confidence naturally. Let's get real for a moment. Nail fungus is stubborn. It doesn't just go away on its own. It thrives in warm, damp environments, making your nails its permanent home. It can spread, causing thick, yellow, or brittle nails that are not only embarrassing but sometimes painful. And the treatments you've tried, whether it's messy creams, expensive prescriptions, or DIY home remedies, likely didn't deliver the results you hoped for. Why? Because they don't target the root of the problem. You see, nail fungus often starts deeper than what you can see, and unless you address it at its source, it's nearly impossible to eliminate completely. That's where Kerassentials comes in. This doctor-formulated solution is designed to tackle nail fungus from the ground up, promoting healthy nails and skin while protecting against future infections. Here's how it works. Targets fungus at its source. Penetrates deep beneath the nail surface to combat fungus where it starts. Restores healthy nails, encourages clear, smooth, and strong nails you'll be proud to show off. Soothes and protects skin. With natural ingredients, it helps reduce redness, itching, and irritation around the nails. Prevents future infections, forms a protective barrier to shield your nails and skin from harmful fungi. Every drop of Kerassentials is packed with a powerful blend of natural oils and minerals that are safe, gentle, and effective. No harsh chemicals, no risky side effects, just real results you can trust. Now imagine this. Another summer of hiding your toes in closed shoes, even on the hottest days. Another party or event where you avoid shaking hands or drawing attention to your nails. Another season of discomfort, embarrassment, and frustration every time you look at your hands or feet. It doesn't have to be this way. With Kerassentials, you can stop hiding and start healing. Imagine the freedom of showing off clean, healthy nails. No more shame, no more pain, and no more covering up. And here's the best part. Kerassentials is completely risk-free. That's right. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. You have 2 full months to try it out. If you're not absolutely thrilled with the results, just let us know and we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. You've got nothing to lose but the fungus and everything to gain. So why wait? Click the link below to order Kerassentials now. For the best results and value, I recommend going with the 3 or 6 bottle package. This ensures you have enough to fully restore and protect your nails over time. Don't let another day go by feeling embarrassed or frustrated. Take action now and reclaim the confidence that comes with healthy, beautiful nails. You deserve nails that are strong, clear, and vibrant, just like you. With Kerassentials, you can take control of your nail health and start living with confidence again. Click below to get started. Your journey to healthy nails begins today.